Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on soaking the head. So I started off with kind of just doing a dry scrape, getting the big chunks of gasket off. Got most of that, and then I brought it out here. I sprayed some of this deep creep and let it sit and soak for a while. Then I've hit it with the scraper, hit it with the brass brush a couple times. Now I want to take a window scraper blade and try to get as much stuff off the surface as possible. Now we'll come back and hit the indentions at a different time, but I've got a second one soaking over here as well to try to loosen up as much stuff as possible. We'll see what we get here. Definitely some like burrs right there. Not real happy about that, but I can probably knock those burrs off fairly easily. But as you can see, I mean, even after several passes of scraping, you can just see the stuff coming off here. It's just built up over the years. And we'll come back with a final pass with our polishing scour brush kind of thing, and get all the last little bits off. But it's a little bit easier if you just go ahead and get all the big stuff off ahead of time. So we're progressing right along here. We will get that air grinder on it just to see. I do have a concern right here. There's a line. Doesn't really look like a crack, but I'm not sure what's going on. So we're going to take a deeper look at that, kind of scrub at that sidewall a little bit. See if we can't get a look at what's going on. Alright, so just scrubbing at it briefly. Kind of looks like it comes down and then comes right back up here, and then it goes back like that. I don't know. It's kind of a scary line there. I don't like the way it looks. Everything else looks okay, from what I can tell. I don't really see any other lines like that, but that one, and you can almost catch your fingernail in there. The problem is that that sidewall is just so dirty right now. Let's see if we can't get it cleaned up a little bit. Alright, so we sprayed some PB Blaster on here, just kind of one final push on there for the day. We're about out of time for the day. There's definitely some rough spots still that we'll have to hit again. But overall, it looks a lot better than it did. Not perfect, but enough to take it on inside, I believe. That's another spot right there. Don't know. We'll find out. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.